Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these little felt star Christmas ornaments. So let's get started. To make these star ornaments, I used one of my cookie cutters and I just traced around it with a pencil on some felt, and then I cut them out. And then with some sewing thread and a needle, I'm going to sew all the way around. I made a knot on the end, and I'm going to start with my knot on the inside like that. Now you could do an overhand stitch, like a blanket stitch. I'm going to do a very tiny running stitch like this. And I'm going to go all the way around, but I'm going to stop and stuff it when I get to here. So continue all the way around. And I left a small opening here, and I'm going to stuff it. I'm going to use my pencil to get the stuffing up into the points of the star. Like that, and then I'll finish sewing up this point of the star. And then I will just go back and forth to secure my stitches. Like that. And now I'm going to find the center, which is approximately here, and I'm going to pull my needle from the side and bring it out in the center. So I'm going to come in the center and come out at the point and sew a loop. Now go back in and come out in the center, and now I'm going to come out here. So come out like that and sew a loop, back in and out in the center, and make another loop here like that, back in, out from the center. And I don't have enough left to do that one, so I'll do this one, and then I'll come back and do the other one after. So come out at the point like that, and I'm going to come back out here and take a couple of stitches here just to secure that, like that. And I threaded another needle and I made a knot, and then pull that knot inside, and I'll finish this long loop like that, back out in the center, and I'm going to continue all the way around. So one long one here, 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 and here. Okay, I worked all the way around, and I'm going to sew a purl in the center like that, and trim that off. And if you need to, you can just take your needle and rearrange the stuffing on the inside. And I have an ornament hanger, and I just straightened out the end and threaded on some beads. And I'm going to make a larger hole there with a larger needle and pass that through, and then bend it back up like that. And that's how easy it is to make these little felt star Christmas ornaments. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.